Subscribe now. Press the bell icon, never miss an update. If you like videos, please like and share your friends and family.
Good morning all. Mrudmai Joshi here. In today's English grammar session, let us continue learning reported or indirect speech. नमस्कार, मृण्मयी जोशी बोलते आहे. आजच्या आपल्या इंग्लिश व्याकरणाच्या पाठात आपण अप्रत्यक्ष आणि अप्रत्यक्ष कथन भूतकाळासंदर्भातील पाहणार आहोत. सो लास्ट टाइम वी सॉ how to convert sentences in present tense to reported speech. Now, let us see some sentences in past tense being converted to reported or indirect speech. गेल्या वेळेस आपण प्रेझेंट टेन्स म्हणजे वर्तमान काळ रिपोर्टेड स्पीचमध्ये कन्वर्ट करून बघितला होता. तर आज आपण पास्ट टेन्समधली वाक्य रिपोर्टेड स्पीचमध्ये कन्वर्ट करून पाहणार आहोत. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ सिम्पल पास्ट. सिम्पल पास्ट सेंटेन्सेस when converted to reported speech, they remain in simple past or you can convert them to past perfect. Let's take an example so that it gets clear. Consider the following sentence. Tara said, quotes, Payal gave me a book, full stop, quotes complete. Now look at this sentence. Tara said, quotes, Payal gave me a book, full stop, quotes complete. Now this sentence is in past tense because it is mentioned that Tara said, S-A-I-D. So it indicates that the sentence is in past tense and it is in direct speech. Now when you convert it into reported speech, it will be Tara said that Payal gave her a book. So what did we do when the sentence was in past tense and we converted it into reported speech? The tense remained as it is for the verb. We put it in simple past only. We just added that. Okay. Now alternatively, when you have the sentence in simple past and you want to convert it into reported speech, you can also convert it to past perfect tense. So how is that possible? When I said the direct speech, Tara said, quotes, Payal gave me a book, full stop, quotes complete. When you convert it to reported speech, you can convert the verb to past perfect also. So the following sentence will also be correct. Tara said that Payal had given her a book. Okay. So when the sentence is in simple past, it is in direct speech and you have been told to make it in reported speech, you can either keep the sentence in simple past only or you can convert it to past perfect. Okay. Now let us look at a sentence which is in past continuous tense and it is in direct speech. So consider the sentence. Ram said, inverted quotes, I was reading an excellent poem, full stop, quotes complete. Ram said, I was reading an excellent poem. Now note that was indicates that the reported verb is in past continuous tense. So how do you convert it into reported speech? We convert it into past perfect continuous tense. So the above sentence in reported speech will become Ram said that he had been reading an excellent poem. So I was reading becomes he had been reading. Okay. Now let us study a sentence which is in past perfect tense. So consider the following sentence. Karan said, comma, quotes, we had reached early. Quotes complete. Karan said, comma, quotes, we had reached early. Full stop, quotes complete. So when we make reported speech, it will become Karan said that they had reached early. So the sentence, the reporting verb remains in past perfect tense only. There is no change. Similarly, past perfect continuous tense also remains past perfect continuous tense for the reporting verb when you convert it to reported speech. Now let us consider this sentence. Karan said, comma, quotes, we had been waiting for 2 hours. Full stop, quotes complete. So this sentence is in past perfect continuous tense because had been waiting is used. Correct? So when you convert it to reported speech or indirect speech, we will just add that to it. So the sentence will be, Karan said that they had been waiting for 2 hours. Note, we just removed the quotes and we added the word that to it, and we replace the pronoun we with they. Rest all remained the same. So to summarize, in reported speech, simple past remains simple past or can become past perfect also. Both the answers would be correct. Then past continuous tense becomes past perfect continuous tense. Again, past perfect or past perfect continuous tense remains unchanged. I'll repeat again because I know it's a bit difficult to summarize or learn it, but when a sentence is given to you, I guess it becomes simpler to convert it to reported speech. I'll just summarize again. When the sentence is in direct speech and you are told to do it in reported speech, if the sentence is in simple past, you can maintain the sentence in simple past or you can convert it to past perfect. Similarly, the sentence in past continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Then the sentence which are in past perfect or past perfect continuous remain unchanged. So I hope the reported speech with respect to past tense is clear. If you have any difficulties, please ask me. So that is all for today's session. Thank you. Dhanyawad.